Okay, so today we'll be doing some questions about number bases. Number bases is not a common question in SPM, and normally it will be only out in paper 1. With the first question, express 5 to the power 5 plus 2 as a number in base 5. So we can see that base 5 is the important point here. So to be easier, we will first list down the number, okay? 5 to the power 0, 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4, and 5 to the power 5. We can see here that we have 1 5 to the power 5. We'll put 1 at 5 to the power 5 and put 0 for the rest. And then we can see that we have 2 here. As we all know that 5 to the power 0 equals to 1. So means that 2 is equals to 2 times 5 to the power 0. So we'll put a 2 here and we'll add this up. And the final answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. And so the second question we have here is find the value of digit 3 in base 10 in the number of 1321 in base 8. So we know that the value will be 8 to the power of 2 times 3. And we will get 192 base 10. And this is our final answer. And the third question here will have given that this equation and want us to find y. So we can see that they already listed out 5 to the power 4, we have 1, 5 to the power 3, we have 4, 5 to the power 2, we have 3, and we have the last thing, 5y will be equals to 5 to the power of 1 times 2 because we have 20 at the back there. So y will be 2. Next question will be express 206 in base 8 as a number in base 5. First, we need to convert 2006 into base 10. So how we convert this is using expanded notation. So we'll have 2 times 8 to the power of 2 plus 6 times 8 to the power of 0, and we will get 134. And this will be in base 10. So after that, we'll convert this in base 10 into base 5. We'll use the division method, which is 134 divided by 5. And then if we use 26 times 5, we will get 130. So we have 4 as remainder. We'll put the remainder at the side. And then 26 divided by 5 times 5 will get 25. And we'll have 1 as remainder here. Divided by 5 again. 1 times 5, that's 0 as remainder. Divided by 5 again, we will get 0. And 1 as remainder. So the final answer will be 1014. We read this from the bottom to the top in base 5. This is our final answer. Our next question. Express this equation as a number in base 5. First of all, we will expand this equation, so we'll have 5 to the power 4 plus 5 times 2. We'll put this in this form so that it's easier for us to see later. So we can see now 5 is equals to 5 to the power of 1. To be easier, I already written out all these expanded notation in expanded notation form for you all. So we have 5 to the power 4 here. Okay, 5 to the power 4, 1. And we have 0 at the back, same as the first question. And 5 to the power of 1, we have 2. So we'll put this here. 5 to the power of 1, we have 2 and 0 at the back as well. So we'll add this up and our final answer will be 10020 in the base 5. Okay, the next question will be a subtraction question. So first we can write down as what we normally do. 11101 minus 110. Okay, this is easy. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 cannot minus 1 obviously. We'll land it from the 1 before it. Normally we will write 10 right, but for this question, since it's base 2, so the maximum number will be only 2. So this is 2 minus 1, get 1. And this one already becomes 0 because we land it to the 1 at the back. So we'll land it from the front one again, it becomes 2 again, 2 minus 1, get 1 again. This is 0, 1. So this will be our final answer.